boys and girls, welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon again. This is going to be a really quick video for you guys. I did a video a little bit ago on that rototiller, that transmission problem where the tines wouldn't turn anymore, and it ended up being that little stripped sprocket inside of there. If you want to see that video, if you missed it, I got a little information button up here, link in there for you. At the end of this video, there's a thumbnail there for you to get back to that video if you want to see it. So we were waiting for the parts. We were wondering if it was going to be warranty or not. I told you I was going to do a follow-up video when the parts came in. Well, the parts came in. I thought they were going to send the sprocket and maybe a gasket or something like that. Here's what they sent. A whole new transmission, sealed, completely ready to just put on. This is great. What a great company this is. They didn't even want the old parts back. That really surprised me. What surprised me even more, sometimes when a company doesn't want the old parts back, they at least ask you to take a couple photographs and email them the photographs so they can see that it's actually damaged. They didn't want any of that. They just said, yep, no problem. Here's a brand new $600 transmission. Go ahead and bolt that on and giddy up, start tilling. That is a good company. Good for me because it's easier. Kind of bad for us though, because I thought I was going to be able to show you how to change that sprocket and everything in there. Not going to be the case. I'm not taking apart a perfectly fine transmission. So I know it's not that big, not that exciting of a video for you. Didn't work out the way I quite planned, but I told you guys that I was going to do a follow-up video on it, so I didn't want to leave you hanging. So there you go. Not much more to show you guys. It's just simple. I'm just going to bolt it all back together and put some oil in this and let her rip after that. Sorry about that, guys. Till the next video, which I'm going to actually show you how to repair something again. What can I say? Steve out.